Welcome to Modern Bikes Cycling.
The easy guide to buying the right bicycle for you. The right bicycle is the one that's right for you. The first step to finding the right bike is knowing what type of bike you need. There are three major types of bikes: mountain bikes, road bikes, and hybrid bikes. All these three types have different uses and features that make them uniquely suited to certain conditions or terrain. Mountain bikes are designed for rough terrain and can handle steep slopes with ease. Road bikes are designed for speed and distance, but they don't handle bumps well at all. Hybrid bikes are a cross between the two other types, which means they're not as good at any one thing as either a mountain bike or a road bike, but can handle most surfaces reasonably well. What to buy? Gear versus non-gear cycle. A non-gear cycle is a bicycle that does not have a gear system or any derailleurs. It typically has one fixed gear ratio, meaning that you cannot change the pedaling resistance while riding. A gear cycle, on the other hand, has a gear system that allows riders to switch between easier and harder pedaling resistance while riding. Gear cycles typically have more speed options than non-gear cycles, making them better suited for long-distance riding. Gear cycles also require more maintenance than non-gear cycles, as the derailleurs need to be regularly adjusted and lubricated. That's how one can easily choose a good bicycle. Thanks for watching.